Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to delete system storage on Android. Firstly, you need to open your settings, scroll down and tap on RAM and storage. It will show you all the storage of your device. Then tap on manage storage. Tap on three dots on top right corner of the screen. Then tap on show all items. It will show you all apps of your device. Head over to the application that haven't been used. Now here you can see 166 MB has been used and it will free of 166 MB if I tap on this. Let's tap on it. Now a pop-up will be shown where it will say 166 MB of content will remove from your device. Tap on free of space. Now let storage manager automatically free of space by removing backed off content from your device. Tap on turn on. So likewise, if you have any other app that have not been used, then tap on it. It will just free up that little bit of space of your system. Now check if there is any system update available or not. Here you can see our system is up to date. After updating your device, it might find some storage for your device. Thank you for watching.